Hello. The purpose of this video is to show you how to create your own Monday morning quarterback report and get it emailed into your inbox. The prerequisites for this is setting up Monday morning quarterback, which there's an associated video. So if you haven't already set up and configured Monday morning quarterback, you'll want to do that first. So Monday morning quarterback is a software as a service solution that integrates with Microsoft CRM Dynamics and essentially works by taking personal advanced finds that you save and then resending those to you on a scheduled basis. So the easiest way to show you this is just to demonstrate it. So I will go into the activities module and I'm going to select a view that I want to start with. So maybe from the all activities views, I'm going to go into open activities. And I like this. I like this report. It's got a lot of useful information, and I want something similar to start being sent to me, but what I only want to see is due date that is this week. In other words, give me my open activities where the due date is this week, and if I were to mail this to me on a Monday, then I'd be pretty well informed of what's ahead for me this week. So the way I make this report is by coming up into the standard advanced find function of Microsoft CRM in Dynamics. What that's going to do is going to copy the open activities report that I already have open. So within here, I can edit some details. And the first thing I want to do is make sure it's just my data. I don't need to see everybody else's. So I'll do owner equals me. And then in addition to that, as I mentioned, I only want where the due date is this week. And then I can take a look at this, right? So if I click on the results, it's going to show me it. Yep, I can verify this is the information I want. However, I really don't need to see the priority as well as the due date. Man, I'd really like that to be the first column. So under normal advanced find functionality, I'm going to go into edit columns. In here, I'm going to select the priority column and remove it. And then I'm going to select the due date column and move that all the way over to the left. My final function is just to configure the sorting. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sort it by due date as well as by subject after that. So I'll come out of this, hit my results button again. Okay, this looks good, right? So this is what I want. Now I want to email this to me on a scheduled basis. Morning quarterback uses simple keywords used in the name of this saved search to interact with CRM, identify which pieces or which reports it should mail to you on any given date, and then bundle those up and make an email. So if I click on Advanced Find and I click Save As, I can essentially save this view as a private view, right? This is normal functionality within CRM. The difference is now I can come into the name and I can use the word daily, for example. My activities. If I save it like that, it's going to take this keyword daily and it's going to email that to me once a day. If instead I said Monday, then it would do it every Monday. I can use Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I can use things like first. So for the first of the month, 15th would be the 15th of the month. End of month would be the end of the month. Case doesn't matter, so you can keep saying anything. Quarterly, as well as finally yearly. So all of those are keywords that Monday morning quarterback will intercept. And when it finds those, it will run this view, get the results, format it in the same table that you specified in the edit columns, and then add that to an email. So it'll keep kind of building up. So if you had 5 reports, 5 different views from 5 different pieces of CRM that all use the keyword daily, it would combine those and provide you with one long daily email. So I'll start with this. So daily, my activities this week. I'll go ahead and save that. And so now within CRM, if I come into my list of views for activities, I will in fact see my saved view, daily my activities this week. So now, under normal circumstances, I would get that daily email, it would run that report, and it would give me the results of those inside of the email. But I'm going to show you how you can interact with the configuration portal to run this report now and see the results without having to wait, just in case you want to make additions or changes. And so the way you'll do that is you'll log back in to the Monday Morning Quarterback portal, configuration portal. And again, this was sent to you in that email, as well as you might want to bookmark this site for future reference. So I'll go ahead and log back in. And now for the user that I want to run right now, I'll open up that user's license record. So in this case, it's admin. And what you'll note is that there's a run now checkbox. So what this does is basically say, I don't want to wait for the normal scheduled time. I want to run this right now. So I'll go ahead, I'll click run now and save and close. And save and close again. And so now it's scheduled. It will run Monday Morning Quarterback for admin. And when it's done, we should see that pop up in our email. And here we are. So it was about roughly about 5 minutes later, this Monday Morning Quarterback email came in. You can see that the from is CRM administrator, because that's how this Monday Morning Quarterback was configured. When I click on it and I view it, what I'll note is that the due date, subject, regarding, activity type, activity status, all of this matches that view that we had here and defined within CRM. So it's an exact replica of the two. They're dynamically linked. So I can go ahead and I can click on any one of these tasks within the email, and it will take me right to that task inside of CRM. So this is the maintenance and appointment request, and so on. So with that, I can quickly make Monday Morning Quarterback reports. I can use the simple advanced find function inside of CRM. I use save as to give it a name, and I use one of the Monday Morning Quarterback keywords in the name in order to specify that this is what I want to be sent to me. And with that, I can build it up. I can include contacts, leads, accounts, any CRM entity that I can build an advanced find for, I can get on my Monday Morning Quarterback.